Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to We Need Money News. We begin tonight with a story from our neighboring Haiti. An acclaimed director has been kidnapped on the set of the star-powered production, Kidnapping Inc. His name is Bruno Mural, winner of several awards, this father of one, young man, 31 years old. Tonight, his fate is in the hands of destiny. A destiny that you and your wallet might well have the key to. As you know, Bruno set off a Kickstarter campaign to raise $150,000 toward his first feature film. Coincidentally, and as weird as this may seem, it's also the same amount of money asked for his ransom. For that story, we go to Barbara Murphy, live from Port-au-Prince, Haiti. Barbara?
The shooting of Kidnapping Inc. has been abruptly interrupted. It's been 7 days since anyone has seen or heard from director Bruno Mural. Yet despite his mysterious disappearance, the production team still meets every day, hoping to finish this movie.
So I was sitting here, Bruno was there. No, Bruno was here, I was sitting there. That's the last time I see him. But I'm sure he was there.
There was a major conflict between the producer and the director. So obviously...
What are you insinuating?
What are you insinuating?
Hold on. We're sorry for this interruption. We've just received word that we have an exclusive video from Bruno. The images are rough to take. Viewer discretion is strongly advised.
Yeah, but I'm telling you,
Yo, même Lisa, 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 Li papa, li ba là.
Comment on parle là? Aïe.
Ou besoin qui peut de photo.
Non, c'est Bruno.
Attends. Si pour blanc, fait quelqu'un fait en anglais fini man.
Anglais ou bien
En anglais là.
Non mais c'est en créole, mais qui ça?
Ah pour l'anglais, puis bon, mais fait en anglais.
Monsieur, en anglais ou bien en créole?
Vous parlez anglais?
Dégagez, mais connaissez là, je vais retraduire tout ça là.
Ok, read it.
My name is Bruno Mural. I'm the director of Kidnapping Inc. This movie is about two deliverymen working for the biggest kidnapping corporation in Haiti. This movie is about two deliverymen working for the biggest kidnapping corporation in Haiti. The schedule for the day is to deliver a senator's son worth $300,000. The problem? They foolishly misunderstand each other and kill the senator's son. Trying to find a solution, they stumble into the senator's son lookalike, which sets them into the craziest kidnapping of their life. Some of this actually happened. You think we're kidding? We're not.
But où sûr que ça dit à qui là?
C'est pas vous qui
Pas de c'est Dimani même non là.
Pas Dimani non?
Il faut introduction, on arriver sur le sujet. On pas dire ça. Money.
Dimani blade.
Bon chien pour faire barrer.
Dimani papa.
Mais qui là?
En anglais toujours.
En anglais blade.
We need 150 $150,000, monsieur.
Monsieur.
Non mais monsieur, qu'est-ce qui va nous $150,000? Nous en pleine période de crise économique, monsieur.
Allez tout liba là papa. On a kidnappé nous caca. Liba là papa.
C'est pas ça.
Liba là papa.
On va faire nouvelle ici, monsieur. Chômage, inflation, récession. On a combien de barils de pétrole là t'es matin?
Bon, fais ça du là.
En anglais toujours.
En anglais.
Sérieux?
We need $150,000. Guys, this is not a lot. So that I can go back to my wife, my kids, my family, see my dog, and finish this movie. The movie is gonna start in a wide shot. Yo!
Wow, disturbing images. I can only imagine the state of mind the director must be in right now. Without this $150,000, Kidnapping Inc. will not be made. I truly hope you realize that this film production will be a stepping stone for the Haitian film industry. So it's up to you to help raise the money, to free Bruno, to finish his movie. And if not for Bruno, do it for Bertrand.
Moi, t'as just même movie à faire. So que ce soit Bruno or anyone else, chargez moun qui ka fait. By the way, c'est Architect fait film.